Hello. Today we have a speaking test beginning from Unit 1 and Unit 2. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so what is your name?
My name is Ben.
Ben, how are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, so let's proceed now with the part 2, which are words and grammar. Now, where is Lily's from?
Lily from Japan.
Japan. All right, how about for Tom? Where is Tom's from?
Tom from the USA.
Okay, very good. So now, where are you from, Ben?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, so how do you spell your name?
T
How do you spell your name, Ben?
B A
E.
E N.
Okay, very good. And what is she doing?
She singing.
She is singing. What is he doing?
He painting.
Painting. And what is he doing? He is
Listening
to.
to music.
Okay, very good. Do your friends like reading books?
Yes, they do.
Okay, do your friends like dancing?
No, they don't.
All right, so what do you like doing, Ben? Among all of those 4 pictures, what do you like doing? You say, I like
I like listen to music.
listening to music. All right, how many people are there? There are.
There are 6 people.
And who are they? One is fa,
Father, brother, grandmother, grandmother,
sister,
sister,
and.
mother.
Okay, now let's proceed for this one. Who is he?
He's
He's my
me.
grandfather or grandmother? He is my.
He's my grandma.
Father. All right, so what is his name?
Ming.
It's Mr. Ming. All right, so now who is she?
He is Anna.
Is my
My
sister. And what is her name?
her name Anna.
Anna. Okay, so what do you do?
I have my mom.
What do you do?
I go swimming.
Okay, and lastly,
I watch TV.
now what animal do you see? You say, I see
I see
a goat.
a ghost.
Okay, just focus.
I
What do you see?
a dog.
A dog. What can you see?
I see a
Fish. All right, so among all of those 4 pictures, what animal do you like?
I like dog.
You like dog. And find a different picture for this one. Which one is different?
Singing.
Which one is different?
Watch TV.
Okay, so find the differences. In picture A, the weather is cloudy. How about in picture B, the weather is?
Sunny.
All right, very good. So let's proceed for this one. In picture A, there are 5 fish, but in picture B, there are
Four
4.
fish.
Okay, so that's all for today, Ben. Goodbye and thank you.